Welcome on board. Please look down, take your time, and watch your step. This boat is headed to Fort Wilderness Campground.
Thank you.
They decorated nice.
Yeah.
Actually, which one had the gingerbread house in it?
That I can't remember.
Okay, who is going to simulate Titanic?
That's what we already discussed.
Y'all both can do it, and I can film it. Simulate Titanic.
Welcome aboard. For your safety, please keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs.
Well, I certainly can't do it.
Oh, yeah, you can. Let me have it.
What am I going to do? Hug the rail or something? All right. As the guy said, we're going to Fort Wilderness Campground. So 10 to 15 minute, 15 to 20 minute, and he didn't know, ride. So come along, this Don Cowboy Biker Adventures. Hopefully this will take in low light. Anyhow, of course, this is Disney. I'm here with my friends, Wayne and Carrie, and Jeff and Juanita. And y'all can say hi if you like. This is 360, so y'all can look down at them.
All right.
And at least I plan on putting it out as a 360 video. So, let me come up. I'm blocking y'all's view.
Oh, you're fine.
Anyhow, all that breeze feels so good.
That's fireworks, birds right there.
Not too early.
I know, but I think they're pulling them out there.
Oh,
There's nobody on that train there. See, here comes another one over here.
yeah. This is Disney on the cheap. I guess they're getting ready to set up for fireworks. Is that true, sir?
Those are for the electrical water patching.
Yeah, there you go. Which is about 40 minutes or 45 minutes away.
So the electrical water patching will start in just a couple minutes. They'll go in a big loop. They'll go out to the campground, then they'll come back.
Oh, okay. Cool.
So we'll see him while we're sitting here.
We might, depending on how in a hurry they do. Yeah. It's 8:42 and they're scheduled to start at 8:45, so we probably won't be able to catch it.
Anything you want to share about the park?
Not particularly. Give me just 1 second.
Okay.
I have to wait while we clear the channel.
Or you're looking for boats?
Once we get to the other side of the canal.
No, you can probably hear the water splashing off the bow of the boat. Yeah, you can do a lot of things in Disney without spending any money. Okay?
So this boat is our motor cruiser trade winds. This is one of our newer boats. We've got 4 boats that are this size, are motor cruisers. They all carry 120 people. Those motor launches carry about 30, and our ferries carry 600 people each. We've got 3 ferries. They all run in a loop, running every 5 to 10 minutes. The boats you saw back there were the electrical water pageant. They've run every night since the park opened, weather permitting. They're one of the oldest shows that we're still doing. They'll be around at the campground. I would estimate probably around 9:30. If you want to go out to the end of the dock, you can have a look. It's really fun. It's a little kitschy, but I really like it.
All right, cool. Well, thank you for that information.
Oh, no problem.
Again, I don't know if this video is going to turn out because of the low lighting. Hopefully I'll put it on the right setting for that. Hopefully it's not all grainy. And if it is, I'll switch over to my GoPro, which I'm turning on now. because it's getting awful dark out here. But GoPro does fairly well in the dark. So we'll see. But like I started saying, doing Disney on the cheap, there's so much you can do here without spending any money at all. So we was here yesterday. Lunch is only money spent. Today we got here later and we haven't spent anything. So you can ride several boats. You can do the monorail. You can do the gondolas. And if you park at Disney Springs, it's all free. So again, all that's free. So there's so much you can do. And here's monorail right here. We're going under. We actually started in that building earlier today. Boondock or Lot Dock. Only if you're staying in that hotel in there. So it is pretty neat.
To our right, this is Shipwreck Island, and then directly behind that is the Wilderness Lodge.
Okay.
What's behind it?
The Wilderness Lodge.
Oh, okay.
Is it?
What's that?
We're headed to Fort Wilderness Campground.
You're right, right.
Okay.
That's where we're going.
So the Wilderness Lodge and the Wilderness Campground are two different places.
We came from over there.
Well, first of all, Wilderness Lodge don't have fort in front of it.
Yeah, that's...
So, anyhow, hopefully,
Discovery Island, which we'll have to.
Discovery Island, okay? Straight ahead.
There's the bus that will take you, yeah. Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Yeah. So if you guys are headed, so this is actually going to take you to the campground. If you want to take it to the lodge from there, what you can do is grab one of our flag boats. We'll sell you like this. That's correct. There's another place called the lodge. That's correct.
This is nice.
Oh, they do have a name for it. I can't recall.
This is nice.
Yeah, it'll be in there.
Isn't that beautiful?
You can just see the top of it.
Another thing you could do, you could come and spend a day just going to the resorts and looking around the resorts themselves, which is a marvel. And I don't know how many resorts they have here, but you can look that up. But you probably only could do 2 or 3 or maybe 4 in a day. So you might be able to spend a couple of days doing that. And again, it's all free.
Yeah, it's an extra ticketed event. There are still tickets available. It's an add-on ticket, so if you have admission for the day. And then they also do extra magic hours, which are different. They're also between 10 and 1 or 11, depending on what kind of park goes. And that's for all the deluxe resort guests, as well as Shades of Green, and if you're staying in a cabin. Are you guys staying in a cabin, or are you?
No, we are RVers.
This is Wilderness Lodge. To our right, and you can just zoom on the shoreline to do Cotton Creek. Yeah, so once we do, actually directly ahead of us is water left into Discovery Island. Directly ahead of us on the main water.
Yes, I don't know. I probably can't do this video on 360 because of the lighting. So if I can't, you won't be able to look around, unfortunately. But the way they move people around all these different parks and from park to park is pretty amazing. So I may continue this video on, but I'm going to say what I normally say towards the end of the video, but it may not be the end, and that is, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see adventure videos at least once a week and shorts on weekends, be sure to subscribe. But we'll see how this goes. I'd like to show you part of this RV park, but it's awful dark. How late does the boat run?
What?
How late does the boat run?
I don't know. Hour after the park closes.
Okay. Cool.
This is the campground lot she was talking about, not the big one.
So do we get off here?
We're gonna get off here. Yeah.
Okay. Pardon me.
Back here. Hello, folks. You guys head to the Magic Kingdom? Yes. All right, we'll have you on board shortly.
I think so.
Welcome to Port Wilderness Campground, folks. Please slow down, take your time, and watch your step. Thank you so much for sailing with us.
Thanks so much.
Oh, and if you folks, if you do want to head to a little bit watch the temporary.
This one boat right here will take us back to Contemporary Lodge. want to go up here and get grab something to eat, or are you guys okay? Relax?
I'm okay.
I'm thinking, my thought is that when you get on the boat, you can
Oh, it's so very warm. And then you're all, I know.
if we get on the boat to the Contemporary Lodge, we have a very real chance of seeing fireworks along the way.
Okay.
What?
I said okay. So this is RV campground?
Here, hold on. I think they just got it.
Yeah, it's this one right here. This goes to the Contemporary.
This one, yeah. I thought it was pointing over there. Well, ask them how often they come because
We can get that bass boat over there to give us a ride.